Right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious blueberry plant milk. Now, I've had a lot of people write me and ask me how I feel about my juicer. And usually the juicer that you see me using is mine, KUVINGS Revo 830, and I absolutely love it. But now I have a new KUVINGS AUTO10, which is a little bit different, and I'm loving this one too. Both of them make it super simple to make a lot of different things. Now, this juicer is not inexpensive compared to a lot of other juicers. There's a few reasons for that. One, it's a much better quality juicer. And two, you're getting 4 accessories in one, because not only does it make juice, but it also makes plant milk, like I'm going to show you today. It makes smoothies, and it makes sorbets, all of which I've shown videos for. I love all those things because those are 4 ways to get a lot of high nutrient food into your diet in a way that's fun. So this, in my opinion, is like getting 4 units in one, which makes it very economical. Right now it's 30% off, so if you've been contemplating getting this juicer or any juicer, now would be the time to act if you indeed want a juicer. For some people, they don't juice much, and so it may not be something that you want to do. But for those of you considering a juicer, this is a great unit. Let me show you what I'm going to use to make this delicious blueberry plant milk. Now, if you know me and you've been watching my videos, you know I love my walnuts. So I'm starting with some organic walnuts, and I've soaked these to get them soft. I'm using some organic wild blueberries. Wild blueberries, as a lot of you I'm sure know, are higher in antioxidants, so it's the way to go. Now, other blueberries will work, don't get me wrong, but wild blueberries have the most bang for the buck as far as nutrition. I'm going to use some dates, surprise, surprise, and then a little bit of vanilla. And I'm going to put these things together in my KUVINGS AUTO10 and show you how easy it is to make this juice. Let's do it.
Okay, so one of the things that makes this AUTO10 different from my Revo 830 is the fact that it's top loading. And by that I mean I can just pop the top and dump all the ingredients in one spot. This is super convenient and easy. Now, since I'm doing plant milk, I'm going to provide a steady stream of a small amount of water the whole time that the machine is working until the end. This creates more liquid and more juice. And now I'm going to put my juice in my cup and I'm ready to pour it into my container. And think about what we have here. This is blueberries and walnuts, 2 super healthy foods, which makes a super healthy drink that I absolutely love. No guilt attached. It tastes good and it's good for you.
All right, and just like that, I've got this delicious blueberry walnut milk, high in nutrients and antioxidants, and that took all of 2 minutes to make it. And that's the thing about this machine. It makes making milk, juice, smoothies, sorbets all so easy and convenient. It's a great way to get high nutrient, high antioxidant food into your diet, and that's what I love about this machine. Now, I'm going to enjoy this milk, but I know a lot of you are asking what you're going to do with that pulp. I get that question all the time, and I always make use of my pulp. And so right now, let me show you what I can do with this and what you can do with this if you make this blueberry milk.
Okay, so as I said, one of the questions I get the most whenever I do a juicing video is what are you going to do with the pulp? You can't just throw it away. And I agree with that. I always make use of my pulp. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video showing how to use fruit pulp and veggie pulp whenever you're juicing. But today I'm doing plant milk, and so the pulp is a little bit different, which gives me some more options. And I'm going to make these delicious blueberry bites.
Okay, that was very easy, and now I've got these delicious blueberry walnut bites bursting with antioxidants and flavor. And so now what I'm going to do is roll them in some hemp seeds. And this is totally optional, but this will add a little boost of protein plus some more texture. So I'm going to do it. But again, you could go with them right now and they'd be delicious. All right, let's do it.
So the blueberry bites are already super healthy and tasty right now, but these hemp seeds, as I said, gives a little more texture, a little more protein, and they're super healthy too.
All right, so I've got my delicious blueberry walnut bites, my blueberry walnut milk, both super healthy, and thanks to my KUVINGS AUTO10, very easy to make. If you're thinking about getting a juicer, remember this one not only does plant milk and juices, but also sorbets and smoothies. And right now you can get 30% off this unit. So look in the captions below and use my code HEALTHYVEGAN30 to get your discount. Thanks for watching.